Yes, it has been far too long. I've missed you guys, but life's been tough. Life's been all that in bag of chips lately, but we're pulling through, and we've got a lot done to the Genesis since the last video that y'all saw. So I'm excited to show y'all all that. I'm excited to show y'all what's planned for today. So what we're doing on today is we had Cars and Coffee this morning. That's actually where we're at right now. So we're about to head out and see what is in store for today's Cars and Coffee. I'm not even sure y'all are really going to recognize the car at this point because it's been so long and you've missed so much. But we're gonna get through this together, I promise you. But now is where I'm gonna show you what the car is looking like. So without further ado, guys, here is the Jenny in all her glory now. Now y'all are probably like, holy crap, he's got a carbon hood, some other stuff's going on, but this is the Jenny. I'm sure you picked up on the side skirts and a couple other things, but those are all future videos to come. Today is just gonna be a chill Cars and Coffee day. Got another Jenny that just pulled up on the block. Maybe they'll come park by me. .8, that's what I'm talking about. Now, a lot of y'all will say y'all like the BK2 front end more, but I don't know. Now, they're both super clean, but to each their own. I do love this car though. Murdered out, all black BK2. Hell yeah. Seeing these two cars parked next to each other, you really can tell how much wider this Monster Service kit makes this car. Like, that's obviously stock wheels, stock body, and then wow, that's Girth Nation right there. Whole lot of cake. Well, guys, the other Jenny left. I wish I would have got it on video because he totally got sideways when he was leaving the parking lot over there. Banging off first, but guess he wasn't staying too long. We got some more cars pulling up, so it's just getting started. Guys, check out this 335D with the carbon front lip. Look at that. That is nice. Some of these BMWs, these little tiny BMWs, I like them, but I don't know. I've never been super crazy about BMWs, but there definitely are a lot of clean ones. This one's looking pretty clean, if I do say so myself. He did get out the car when I parked here and broke his neck for a few minutes, but I'm not quite sure where he's at now. Maybe we can get him on the vlog. Guys, check out this Porsche kit car. This thing is sick. Low-key giving me vibes of Fat Yellow 3.8, but check this thing out. This thing looks like a whole lot of fun. I would get in way too much trouble. They do bring out some pretty sick cars to this Cars and Coffee sometimes though. This thing looks like a whole lot of fun. I caught it just in time. We got a yellow C8, boys. I ain't never seen a C8 this close in a minute. Or at least a yellow one. That's like a highlighter yellow. Okay, we're gonna have to get close up on that. I love the C8s. I think this is the only yellow one in my town, if you consider that yellow. But we're gonna have to get up close to that thing. Alright, we got some American Muscle pulling in, so you might not hear me, but I love the Trident wheels on the C8. They're so clean. Look at that. LT5, hell yeah. I love the C8s.
So I want to just do a
something look a little strange to y'all? A little off, a little different. Got another C8. This one's in red. I don't know, I like the Tahoes.
I do too, but it's just, it looks more.
Yukon XLs are bigger than a damn Excursion.
This shit's huge.
It is squatted a little bit, but it's tasteful. Like, it's tasteful.
It actually looks good.
Y'all, this video does not do any justice to how massive this truck is. I mean, there's one you saw over there, and that one looks normal size compared to this one. Wow.
It's probably just the box.
Look at all this. This must be like a 10 to 12 inch lift. This thing is huge. Pretty good turnout for cars and coffee. Got a good selection of older muscle cars and newer cars. Lots of clean cars today. Check this out. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be here, but it's been a good show so far. Always a nice way to spend Saturday morning with the boys. Guys, this one had a flex with twice the amount of cylinders of the GENNY V12 on the AMG. I mean, it's clean, but hell yeah. Who buys a V12 and doesn't get a Lamborghini? Come on. I mean, I guess you could go for this, but if I'm getting a V12, I'm getting a Lamborghini. That's just me. Alfa Romeo on the joint. This shit clean as hell.
I feel like I need to take my shoes off.
Buddy's got the keys sitting there too. I'm trying to take it for a whip.
You get like actual baseball.
Yeah. V10 Viper on the joint. Okay. He said, man, who needs a passenger when you got a Viper? Apparently. That's not how we roll on this side. super clean RHD, RH7. That's what I'm talking about. Owner walked right up to me and said, "Here, take the keys and give me yours." Like he wanted the GENNY instead of this. I was like, man, I don't know. I might have to take you up on that. Man, I love RH7s. Carbon eyelids. Yeah, I might just have to take that trade, to be honest. Well, guys, Cars and Coffee was a success. Had a fun time. And if you're wondering why I sound like this, it's because I got a mask on. About to go eat, grub at IHOP. Well, that's gonna be about it for this video. Besides maybe a little food vlog coming at you in a few.